The roses took water, gave scent. For heaven's sake, don't tell anybody yet. He agreed, and then ran towards the party on the lawn, waving his arms about and shouting out his wondrous news. Winston wrote to her mother, "I am not rich, but Clementine loves me, and with that love I feel strong enough to assume this sacred responsibility. And I think I can make her happy and give her a career worthy of her beauty and her many virtues." He became Home Secretary and was accused ever after of sending the troops in to shoot the rioters and looters in Tony Pandy. He never did. In fact, he wrote to the King, "Need for the employment of troops is